Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the Sora to complete tutorial where you can make AI video generations easily. So let's dive into the world of cinematic video generation with the Sora to complete tutorial. If you go to this page sora2.cloud, you'll see the Sora to video generator. So describe your vision in English, customize options, and generate stunning videos in seconds. So one video costs 10 credits, and if you are new to Sora, you usually get 10 free credits in here. And you can also get free credits by inviting friends to join Sora. You can just copy the invite link in here and share it to your social media like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, or WhatsApp. And to generate the video, you'll see the new video box in here. You can just write the prompt, set options, and generate. So for example, in here, you can just write the prompt that you want. I'm going to go write like this: a girl walking in a busy street while holding a cat, for example. And you can set the durations in here. If not selected, the default setting is 10 seconds, and if you choose 15 seconds, you need to add 3 credits more, so it's become 13. So in the top in here, you can also attach image as reference for the video. You can set the quality in here. If you want to have HD video, you need to also add 2 credits more, and we watermark in here. So this is by default, but if you subscribe into Sora 2, you can turn it off. You can choose the orientation, whether it's landscape or portrait, and you can also share to explore. So when enabled, completed videos appear on the community explore wall. You can also turn it off if you want to. And if you're done with the settings and everything, you can just tap on generate video. So here is one of the example, one of the video that I generated before. It's completed. You can also just click on share in here to share the result with your friends. And at the bottom, if you want to get more credits, you can choose the subscription. Here you can see the monthly subscription and also yearly. Just choose the one that's convenient for you. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.